Okay, here we go.
Oh yeah, this will get a nice granny. Man, I can't keep the front tire down.
You got to get your slide up on top the nose of the saddle, but don't come off the seat and put your weight on the handlebars. Don't pull back. And just take up all the trail so nobody else can. The heck? Carl said on your left.
I didn't have enough wind to say that.
Oh.
I can't keep the front end down. It is tough.
You got to sit on the nose of the saddle and push down on the handlebar.
Maybe you've got a saddle too far back.
Could be.
What's it look like?
Looks like it's forward.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. That bike don't even do that.
You don't have that problem with yours?
Coming through.
All clear.
Oh man, that's